Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you felt this video was helpful, hit that like button, maybe share with a friend, leave a comment. All those really do help me out and continue to produce more videos for you. So today's product I want to share with you is a 7-in-1 little docking station. My laptop over here only has one USB plug. All the rest are the Type-C connections, and there's still a lot of stuff that use the traditional USB. So I needed a little setup, and I found this on Amazon. It's by a company called YDMADE, and this is the box it comes in. I'll include a link in the description that will take you to the website. You can check out the current price point, all those details. But once you open it up, real simple, you're going to get a little user manual. Pretty self-explanatory. You're going to get a USB 3.0 to Type-C cable, and then you're going to get the device itself. So I got this one right here because you can clamp it on the side of the desk here, and you do that just by undoing the screw here, setting it up to where you want, and make it nice and tight, and so it stays nice and secure. Now, like I said, it's a 7-in-1, so the little ports, everything. Right here you have where it says USB in. This is where you're going to plug this guy in. Obviously, if you need a longer cable, you can get one of those, but this is the length of the cable they supply. I don't use an Ethernet connection, but this one has an Ethernet connection if you want to plug that in. Then it's got a USB 2.0 plug here for any... if you have any low or older cables. I usually have a computer light that I use to plug into here. And then it has another USB 3.0 on this side. But then on the top, this is more my quick access. So if I have a thumb drive or whatnot, I plug it in either one of these USBs. And then it has the micro SD card slot and then the traditional SD card slot. So everything, like I said, is really accessible. I know if you got like a laptop, a lot of them, sometimes you just need more plugs, especially if you have USB keyboards and all that kind of stuff, which would be great to plug into here, the USB keyboards, because you're not going to be accessing these as often. And then on the back here, you can see it has just two little holes here that allow air in to keep the device from overheating. And everything is USB 3.0, so when it comes to speeds, that's a lot faster. I think it's like 5 gigabits per second versus the 2.0 is a lot slower. It's, I think like 400, 480, something like that. But yeah, that is basically the setup. Now, I did want to point out that this opening right here is 1.42 inches. So depending on what you're mounting it in, as you can see, you have a lot of room. It is very flexible to whatever your desk size is, which is really, really nice. But yeah, that's basically the ins and out of this little 7-in-1 little docking station. I've been very impressed with the performance. Never had any of all the little USB plugs work just fine. Transfer the data nice and fast. So feel free to hit me up in the comments section. Like I said, I will include a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself on Amazon. And that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.